Pods.
B-Pods.
B-Pods. Nickname, sir? Nickname na siya. After the answer ID.
So here guys, naka-check-in na kami guys. So, welcome to B-Pods.
Elevator room is right.
Oo. Open. Yay. Welcome. Wow!
Slipper guys, slippers.
Dito ang slippers.
Slippers.
Yay! We're here. Two beds.
This too very nice.
So, we're finally here in... Where are we guys? In B-Pods!
We
Here's
are
our
here in
room,
B-Pods.
guys. Ito yung room namin.
Kaya room, guys.
Is a two-bedroom, guys. For Daddy Marvin. Ay, kaya one.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
And then one for the kids. So, nice din. Hi, Teo. Say hello to my vlogs.
Hello.
Hello, vlogs.
Hi.
Happy sila, oh. Staycation sila for one night. So, please join us. Meron Netflix moment. Nagre-relax muna kami kasi mamaya magsuswimming kami. So, pagod kami sa biyahe. Kaya, relax muna ang mga beauty namin.
Let's go.
Sige, Teo. Sige. Sige. Guys. Wow. Wait sa Mia. Wait sa. Wow. Guys, we're here at the pool. Pool. Oh, wow. Dito kami guys. Oh, pool. Yay.
Kilala mo agad?
Oo.
Grabe ka no? Ito memorya ba?
Oh, nice ilang.
Hindi ko siya kilala.
Swimming time. Tingnan sila guys, oh. Ayun sila and Daddy. And dito. Super high. Careful, ha? Hey, swimming time kami, guys. Sarap ng tubig, warm water. Daddy, smile.
Hi.
For the baldo.
For the
The family here at the B-Pod. Yay! Enjoying sila, guys.
Look at my nose. No vlogging in the pool.
No vlogging in the pool.
It's okay. I'm just enjoying. Malit time man ang baby boy ko. Oh, what? Sino ka? Yan yung new friend niya, si Belle. Ay, sa shoot ba nila? Ay. We're off for dinner.
We're
So,
going home.
Not yet.
Yes.
We are here in 14th floor, so waiting for the elevator, guys.
Oh,
Mga Tom Goose na Tom Goose. Ang mga people, especially this. Okay ka pa?
Hindi ko.
Baby. My little boy. Hi. Me. Gutom na. Teo, eat ikaw. Ate. Happy eating, Daddy. Happy eating in IT Park. po sa Betcha kong kids. Oh, abot mi Ayala Central Block, guys. Kumusta naman? Nakapatulog ng little boy. OMG. Good morning, guys. Saturday morning na.
Good morning!
Gising na ang mga people. Hi, ate. Morning. Gising na kami, guys. Okay. Mag-swimming kami again. Hi. Leo, say good morning, vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
Ito yung view namin, guys. Yan yung view namin. Wow. Good morning, Cebu. Coffee tayo, guys.
Ano daw? Oh, dali ko. May tao pa sa CR.
Coffee
Wait lang,
tayo.
may tao pa sa CR.
Making coffee. Coffee to, guys. Making coffee for Marvin. Coffee for Hala Prinsipe. Mabuhos na mainit.
Thank you.
Welcome. Morning.
That one's full.
No, it's okay.
But I want to full.
Hi, breakfast by the pool. Ang mga family. Isa pa, oh. Ay, shishi. Okay, maraming na ka-exclusive sa pool. Time check, 7:15 a.m. So, kami lang dito, guys. So, kape-kape muna. Let's go! Hi, guys. Gym day.